Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to check your Facebook monetization eligibility. So in order to do that, you just need to, okay, by the way, this is my Facebook page. So let me help you on how to check whether you're eligible for Facebook monetization. So just simply go to professional dashboard. Okay, so click professional dashboard and then scroll until you see the monetization. Okay, so kindly scroll it down. Okay, and then look for monetization and then click monetization tools, or this one, it's under tools. And then after that you have different eligibility. So but most of the time we just need this in-stream ads. We need to check whether you're eligible already in in-stream ads. Okay, let's click this. So once we click in-stream ads, okay, you may now check whether you are already eligible to the criteria. So as you can see, as of now, I am 4 out of 5 criteria being met. So this will be my eligibility criteria, whether it's already okay, if I'm already okay to be eligible partner of the Meta or not yet. Okay, so you can just simply finish the 5 criteria here in order for you to be Meta partner.